Hi guys, unboxing an Apple product and that too a new release hits different. So here I am back once again with a brand new unboxing video where I have with me the brand new Apple iPad Air with the M2 chipset. The 13-inch tablet from Apple was released in May this year and have risen on the charts to become a popular choice quite rapidly for techies like me. So in this video I will be unboxing it, exploring the gadget accessories inside the main box, and will be talking more about some of the things which I liked and don't like about the tablet. So buckle up your seatbelts and sit tight. So as you might have already started seeing in the video itself, that I got the tablet unboxed in the Apple Store itself, where I was doing the basic setup like setting the language preferences, logging into my Apple account, etc. I also bought the Apple Pencil Pro along with it. I tested the tablet under certain conditions and verified all its basic functionalities in the Apple Store itself. One thing which I wanna highlight is that I went for the Pencil Pro 2, as without it most of the vital and sophisticated features of the tablet would have remained unexplored. So a few extra bucks, or rather a whole lot of it, were supposed to do the trick. The pencil could add significant upgrades over the first and second gen pencils, focusing on more advanced features for artists, designers and note takers. Notably, the Pro version's offering of a truly professional level experience, which arguably sets it apart from the first and second gen Apple pencils, especially for advanced creative applications, was also one among the many reasons for opting it. So I finally unwrapped the tablet from the paper cage after taking it out from the box. I will unlock the iPad by entering the passcode. The 13-inch liquid retina display instantly stands out. This screen is incredibly sharp and vibrant thanks to True Tone and P3 white color. I like the overall feel of this tablet when I hold it using my hands. It really feels very classy and smooth. This iPad Air is ultra light, weighing just over a pound, and its aluminum design feels both premium and durable. It's sleek and slim, making it easy to carry. The iPad has Touch ID built right into the top button. This makes it super easy to unlock the device and secure your apps with just a quick touch. Let's see what else we have inside the box. The box has the text saying designed by Apple in California on its top face. Apart from the tablet, we can also see a flat box having some documentation inside it. Well, I'm not gonna explain and read the instructions as it won't be worthwhile to do so. Let's keep the box aside for now and see what else we have inside the box, shall we? Inside we have got a USB-C 1-meter charging cable and a 20-watt power adapter. This fast charger is perfect for the iPad Air's powerful battery. I will take the power adapter first and remove the paper cover from its sides by unwrapping it. It's a compact 20-watt USB-C charger designed for fast and efficient charging. Compatible with USB-C to Lightning and USB-C to USB-C cables. It powers up iPads quickly and works seamlessly with other USB-C devices, including iPhones. Built to Apple's high safety and energy efficiency standards, it protects against overheating and optimizes power consumption. Its lightweight, portable design makes it perfect for both travel and daily use. On the other hand, the cable provides reliable, fast data transfer and charging, ideal for connecting USB-C devices like iPads and iPhones. Built with Apple's quality standards, it ensures durability and flexibility, making it easy to use at homes, in the office, or on the go. Next we have the documentation box. It includes a quick start guide with essential setup instructions, safety and handling information, and warranty details. The materials are clear and concise, giving users an overview of key functions, initial setup steps, and safe usage practices for the device. Additionally, the package may include 2 Apple logo stickers as a signature addition to the unboxing experience, but I can't see any in here as Apple stopped providing them long before as a part of its Green Environment initiative for achieving carbon neutral status. Under the hood, this Apple iPad features Apple's M2 chip, which is perfect for both everyday tasks and heavy-duty apps. It makes this iPad super responsive and powerful. Being one among many in the lineup of homegrown chips, the M2 chipset offers the integration of CPU, GPU, unified memory architecture, neural engine, image signal processor, etc. on a single system on a chip. Before Apple's silicon, Apple devices used multiple chips for CPU, I/O, and security. But Apple's effort to integrate these chips is the reason why M2 is much faster and efficient than Intel chips. The M2 supports 8-core CPU, but it supports 9 or 10-core GPUs. There are 4 high-performance cores and 4 high-efficiency cores. The high-performance cores are designed to offer the best performance for power-intensive single-threaded tasks, with all 8 cores able to work together for impressive multi-threaded performance. This Apple iPad Air in space gray boasts a sleek, minimalist aluminum exterior that exudes both elegance and durability. Its smooth, matte finish adds a sophisticated look, while the cool metallic feel in hand reflects Apple's signature attention to premium design. This lightweight, sturdy build enhances portability, making it a versatile choice for work or play. The Apple iPad Air 13-inch M2 comes in other finishes of blue, purple, and starlight, as well as in addition to space gray finish. The Apple iPad Air 13-inch with the M2 chip comes preloaded with a suite of powerful built-in applications that enhance productivity, creativity, and entertainment. Core apps like Safari, Mail, and Messages provide seamless connectivity, while Notes and Reminders help organize daily tasks efficiently. With the advanced apps such as iMovie and GarageBand, users can edit videos and create music effortlessly. The iPad also includes the iWork suite, Pages, Numbers, and Keynote, ideal for document creation, spreadsheets, and presentations. Additionally, Photos and Files offer easy access to media and file management, making the iPad Air a versatile tool for both personal and professional use. With all that being told, I quickly want to test the landscape stereo speakers of my Apple iPad Air M2 13-inch. With that being said, I will open my Safari web browser and search for my favorite site, YouTube, and will try to search for some no copyright songs to test the speaker audio. Let me play this music for testing. To be honest, the sound quality is not bad and can be lived with. The iPad Air M2 features a 12 megapixel rear camera with an f1.8 aperture, capturing sharp and vibrant photos even in low light conditions. It supports 4K video recording at up to 60 fps, delivering high quality video for content creation. The 12 megapixel ultra wide front camera with center stage keeps users in focus during video calls, automatically adjusting as they move, enhancing the experience for FaceTime and other video apps. The 13-inch liquid retina display with a resolution of 2360 by 1640 pixels delivers crisp, vibrant visuals with true to life colors. The display supports P3 white color, true tone, and offers up to 500 nits of brightness, making it ideal for detailed visuals and comfortable viewing in various lighting conditions. Let's move on to the second segment of the unboxing. In addition to the iPad Air, I also bought the Apple Pencil Pro. This is how the packaging looks like. The outer side of the box has some details about the product, and on one lateral side I can see Pencil Pro written just beside the Apple logo. Just after opening the box, I can see the documentation paper casing having some instructions on the Pencil Pro. The documentation usually includes a quick start guide, warranty information, and safety instructions, providing an overview of usage, charging instructions, and tips for maintenance. These documents ensure users can set up and care for the Pencil Pro effectively for optimal performance. This is the pulp inlay which was holding the Apple Pencil Pro in place. The Pencil Pro looks just like a pencil with a slightly flat rectangular area for getting it to stick to the iPad side, where it also gets charged. The Pencil Pro gets connected to the iPad via Bluetooth and can be used to perform a wide range of tasks such as drawing and sketching, note-taking, document annotation, graphic design, photo and video editing, navigation and gestures, 3D modeling and AR applications, etc. It's a powerful tool that significantly increases productivity when paired with an iPad, especially for artists, designers, and professionals. With its highly responsive performance, the Pencil Pro provides precision and fluidity in every stroke, making tasks like note-taking, drawing, and document annotation feel natural. One of its standout features is pressure sensitivity, allowing users to control line weight by adjusting pressure, ideal for sketching and shading. Additionally, the Pencil Pro supports tilt detection, enabling realistic shadowing techniques and fine adjustments in design work. The newer hover feature allows users to preview strokes before they touch the screen, a unique capability that boosts control and accuracy. Compared to previous models, the Apple Pencil Pro also includes upgraded battery life and faster charging through USB-C, which makes it ready for longer uninterrupted work sessions. Integration with iPad OS apps is seamless, with compatibility across a wide range of apps like Procreate, Adobe Fresco, and Notability, ensuring that users can switch between tasks without missing a beat. The Pencil Pro can instantly convert handwritten notes into typed text, making it useful for students, writers, and anyone who needs efficient documentation. Its double tap feature for switching tools streamlines workflows, saving time and reducing the need to interact with on-screen menus. With all these advanced features, the Apple Pencil Pro stands out as a top choice, surpassing previous models with its advanced and enhanced capabilities. and refined design, perfect for users looking to maximize their iPad's potential. So that was all about the Apple products which I unboxed just now. There were things which I personally liked about the product, as well as things which I didn't like that much about it personally. What I liked was the smooth metallic finish of the aluminium body of the iPad, the clever orientation of the stereo speakers which gave the feel of a surrounding audio, and nice overall screen motion. On the contrary, things which I didn't like include the meager storage capacity of only 256 GB, only 12 megapixels camera resolution, and the absence of camera flashlight in the Apple iPad Air, to name a few. Nevertheless, it was a great Apple product to unbox along with the Apple Pencil Pro. At last, I would like to present a summary of all the important features and specifications of the iPad. You can make use of the details on the screen to conclude your discretion of either buying or not buying the Apple product. And there you have it, the new iPad Air, portable, powerful, and packed with features. It's ready to tackle anything you throw at it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.